I can't wait to give this dresser a complete makeover. Keep watching to see it transformed. Hi, I'm Deborah and welcome to my channel where I take old furniture and give it new life. This dresser was at the curb with a sign saying, "Free dresser." Just needs some good TLC, and that's exactly what this dresser is going to get. It does have good bones, as the sign said. It's got a lot of solid wood construction. The drawer fronts and drawer casings are solid wood, and the top is solid wood with a solid wood base. There are a lot of dings and nicks, scratches, paint, where the varnish and stain has come off. Just a lot of repair that has to take place on the the top of the dresser and on the drawer fronts. You can see the inside of the dresser, the nice wood construction inside, and the wood panel on the sides that are covered with veneer in the wood base. I'm going to take out this hardware. The screws were actually bent, and that's where a lot of the hardware was just kind of leaned over. Took all that out, used Bondo to fill in some holes and some of the scratches and gave it a good sanding. Of course, this is after it all got a good clean. And here it is where the frame is sanded down to the natural wood with the base as well. The top I'm going to have to paint. There was just too much going on for the top to be able to make that go to solid wood this time. Got it all taped up and the drawers taped, ready to go. I used Valspar's cabinet and furniture paint in the colors olive green and white and mixed that up to get this lighter green color. I gave it 3 coats of paint with sanding in between and 3 coats of polyurethane. And let's remember it before, how worn out and tired it was with the damaged top. And now she is stunning and vibrant with clean lines and elegant handles. She's been reborn and is showcased by her natural wood frame, and her top is smooth and young again. No more sitting on the curb for her. She's ready to be brought into a home and bring beauty to a new space. I want to thank you for watching. If you have returned and watched another video of mine, I'd love for you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. This is Deborah's Furniture and Decor. I appreciate everyone's support, and I'll see you next time on my next furniture restoration. Bye!